Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Valentine's video brought to us by Batman and Catwoman. Let's go! Okay, so we're doing a big box unboxing for today, Valentine's Day. So before we get into it, I would like to greet everyone happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you're having a nice day with your loved ones, maybe your partner, your parents, your sons or daughter, your niece, nephews, your uncle, aunties, or as they say, even if it's just you loving yourself, that is totally fine. So we have here Batman and Catwoman, the DC Bombshells version. So if you talk about superhero partners, definitely one of the top in the list would be the Crusader Batman and the ever glamorous beauty of Catwoman. Okay, so this is the DC Bombshells variant. So you can see that Batman is not your typical black colored vigilante, but Catwoman is still a thief. So this is from the DC Collectibles direct from the source series, okay, the Bombshell series actually. On the side, you can see here, this is designed by Aunt Lucia. Of course, always a great job. And sculpted by Jack Matthews. You can see the illustration here. And it measures approximately 11.65 inches high. On the other side of the box, we see another angle of the statue, numbered, limited edition. Okay, so Catwoman trying to steal the key and the keys from Batman. Okay, so but Batman seems to like it. Yeah. And at the back, we see the brief description for the DC Bombshells. Okay, let me just zoom in to that for you. So DC Bombshells, Batman and Catwoman, the Lack statue. This DC Bombshell statue presents a 1940s spin on a comic book romance that has spanned generations. Inspired by the art of internationally renowned designer and illustrator Aunt Lucia and sculpted by Jack Matthews, this statue may look like Catwoman's going in for a kiss, but a closer look at her hand shows her sights set on Batmobile. Okay, so she's planning to steal the Batmobile. This statue measures 11.5 inches tall and is limited to 5,000 pieces. Inspired by vintage pinup art, the DC Bombshell statue line features DC superheroes during World War II and launched the DC Comics series of the same name. So that is the illustration, and at the back you can see other statues in the series. We already have this one, and also this one. So I think we've opened this too. Big Barda, not yet. Okay, so collect them all. I am trying to do that, but so we're happy to look at and finally open this one. So we had it for the longest time. At the top, you see the Batman Catwoman logo. Okay, we had it for the longest time, but did not know when's the right time to open it. And then it dawned on me, of course, Valentine's would be the perfect day to open it. But this is Pinoy Heroclix. So before we open any other thing, we have to open a Heroclix related figure. And we have here Batman and Catwoman. So DP 21001, you can see the sculpt here. Batman and Catwoman married, kissing each other. I think this is their marriage day. Okay, so Catwoman is wearing her wedding dress, but still with a touch of her costume. And of course, Batman is always gonna be Batman, whether it's marriage day or not. So he's wearing his day job or night job outfit. So anyway, so Batman and Catwoman, you can see a lot of keywords here. Batman family, Gotham City, underworld, detective, martial artist. This is actually a combination of Bruce Wayne and Selina Kyle. So you can see that the keywords are also a combination of the two, like Gotham City Underworld, would probably be Catwoman's keyword. Okay. A couple of traits here: a wedding party of two, sidestep combat reflexes, opposing characters within 6 squares and line of fire can't use sidestep, which is interesting. Okay. Second, on a rooftop in southern Gotham, Batman and Catwoman can be targeted by opposing characters occupying a square on a lower elevation. I'm going through it quickly because I think we've had another video looking at this figure. And Bat and Cat is a special damage power, outwit, prob, free. If Batman and Catwoman occupy hindering terrain, they may use outwit and prob in an additional time this turn, or they can use it twice. Okay, improve movement, characters, and elevation. And you can see here they have the team ability of Batman and the team ability of Catwoman. So enemies that became lovers. Batman number 50, 2018 is a significant appearance. I'm not so familiar with that, so that might have been the wedding issue. Okay, please comment below if you know or if I'm speaking correctly. So let's go ahead and look at this statue. I'm thinking we might be better off moving the unboxing on the floor, because a big statue like this might have or might need extra care. So I'm gonna switch to the floor. Okay, so we relocated to the floor and we're going to unbox this statue. So I purchased this, if I'm not mistaken, 2021, okay, or even earlier. Okay, so one of the last bombshell pieces that I had to do. Okay, and ever since that time I did not check it, so you can see it's still on tape. Okay, I just trusted the seller that everything is in order as he advertised. Okay, I don't even remember who the seller was, but it was from the US, and I think it was more of a, he was selling the collection because he's quitting collecting the DC Bombshells. So we're just lucky that we're able to purchase this one from him. I can cut the tape. Okay, so we finally have it open after 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been in storage for the last couple of years. 1683 of 5,000 copies. Let's open, and I hope it's not broken or anything. This will probably be on my display case for the entire month of February, as it represents Valentines. There you go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, this was anticlimactic. In 3, 2, 1. What's holding it? Ah, there. Ooh. Okay. So there you have it. We have the base plate. Okay. Here we have the base plate here. This is where we put the figure. 1683 of 5,000, manufactured in China, series of 2018. Okay, we don't see the nameplate. Ah, it's missing the nameplate. It's not in the box. It's not here. Okay, that might be the reason why I got this fairly cheap. Okay, I remember maybe because it's missing the nameplate. Okay, but that's totally fine. Okay, we're not too OC with those things, as long as the statue is in good condition. Ooh. Okay. So let's put them on the plate. Okay, slowly, you don't have to force these things. And there you go. We have Batman and Catwoman. Okay, let's do a quick look here. So you can see Batman and Catwoman. The details for this is amazing. So they're almost touching lips, but not quite. Okay, Catwoman is purple. Okay, I thought it was darker. Okay, but the purple is really evident on the statue. Batman seems dumbfounded. I like the details on the utility belt and of course the dangling key here. You have the Batmobile. Definitely a nice touch. The pearl on Catwoman's. Okay, amazing. And you can see them here. And at the back, of course, take a look at that cape. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down now. Okay, so again, of course, it's a bit of a bummer that there's no nameplate, but it is what it is. We're happy that the statue is in good condition. So overall, happy kid here. What do you guys think? Batman and Catwoman for the win. Bye-bye!